Okay, so let's talk about facial cupping. So you've probably heard about this for the body, but it's actually really good for the face. It is a traditional Chinese medicine technique that really helps increase blood flow to the skin, helps relieve tension in any muscles, and promotes cell repair. So now whenever you do facial cupping, you need to make sure you apply a face oil or serum to your face. I love using the Pro Age serum, and you have to have a nice slick base for these cups to move gently across the skin. Now with these cups, all you have to do is squeeze, and what it does is it's suck up a little bit of your skin, and then you kind of pretty quickly want to move the cup from the inside of your face towards the outside. That helps promote lymphatic drainage and helps lift the skin. Now, as you notice in the video, my skin is getting really red. That's just because of the lighting, but my skin is pretty sensitive, so it gets red really fast, but it does go away. Now with the facial cupping, it's very similar to how you use a gua sha or a rose quartz roller. You just kind of want to go around the face. It's also really great for plumping your lips, so kind of just squeeze and go across them. You'll notice that more blood flow gets towards your lips and makes them look nice and big. Again, just going across the face, using that on the forehead, just squeeze, let go, and quickly move. If you leave it in a spot for way too long, you can actually bruise it pretty bad, so move pretty quickly. And then with this little guy here, this one's really great for getting in smaller areas such as under the eyes. And this one doesn't suck as hard as the bigger one, so it's gonna be a little bit more gentle. I also love using it for above the lip because that area is just a little bit of a smaller area, and then that's a place where wrinkles do show up first compared to the rest of the face. Now I also like to use it right between my eyebrows. I hold a lot of tension right there if I'm focusing or if I'm like staring at the computer all day. I already have some fine lines starting there, so that's gonna help soften it, and that's how I use cups.